Blue Jays. I am here to make our announcement for our November employees and our student of the month. So let's get started. All right, our November employees and student of the month, we are going to start with our employees. And our very first employee for November is Miss Cheney. Miss Cheney is one of our very hardworking teachers. She has both gen ed and special ed students in her classroom, and she does a fabulous job. Congratulations, Miss Cheney. Our next employee of the month is Miss Raquel, and she's one of our paraprofessionals that also works with our special needs students. She is a very dedicated worker who does an outstanding job. Congratulations, Miss Raquel. And for our student of the month, one of our lucky Blue Jays is our November student of the month. And let's see who that is. Benjamin McFarland. Congratulations, Benjamin. He is in Miss Ariano's class. And I'm going to tell you what the people who nominated him said about Benjamin. They said Benjamin is a bright, kind, and motivated student. Since his very first day of school, he has always been one to consistently follow the rules, and he actively participates in whole group. He is nice to his peers, his friends. He's nice to his friends, and is a great example of a well-mannered student. He always does his very best on all of his schoolwork, and he surprises his teacher with the knowledge he has every day. So congratulations, Benjamin McFarland, on being our November Student of the Month. And congratulations again to Miss Cheney and Miss Raquel as well. We hope you're having a great month of November, and I look forward to coming back to you in December with new employees of the month, as well as another Blue Jay that we'll pick to be our Student of the Month for December. Bye, guys.